For the repair of the Hyomyung LSC control units, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we had a 24-volt DC power supply, a simulator, a switch, and two 24-volt DC lamps to the unit's output. By turning on the power supply, the unit reacts and we can hear the alarm sound from the simulator. We can also see that the 24-volt DC lamps light up. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process is repeated for the second control unit, the third control unit, for the fourth control unit, and lastly for the fifth control unit. It is now clear that all 5 control units are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.